Welcome to another North Carolina trailer sales video. In this video, we will be showing you how to install a new trailer step. Now, as you can see, this trailer step was damaged. It was damaged when unloading, but it is a simple matter just to get a new trailer step and install it. Most of them do come bolted to the bottom of the trailer, but unfortunately for our shop technician Cole, this one was welded. So he had to cut around bits of the trailer step and then work on the weld itself. Here you can see he do his last cut and get that step off so he could actually get to the weld. Now he begins welding, and he starts by welding a plate up there to create extra surface for him to weld the new step on. Here he is putting this trailer step in place and welding bits here and there. And now he's getting the final bit and just welding that part. Now it's time for us to test it. As you can see, it holds up well. Thank you for watching. If you would like more videos from us, please like and subscribe. Even leave us a comment. If you would like us to install a trailer step for you, don't forget to visit our website. You can schedule an appointment with us anytime Monday through Friday, 9 to 5:30. Thank you.